LuxAlgo versus ChartPrime. I'm going to tell you the difference of LuxAlgo and ChartPrime and which one might be the best trading indicator in the market. LuxAlgo is a powerful, customizable indicator suite built for TradingView. It gives you buy and sell signals, trend dashboards, support or resistance zones, and even smart money concepts, making it ideal for traders who want a complete visual system without relying on guesswork. It's fast, flexible, and trusted by thousands. ChartPrime, on the other hand, focuses more on predictive analytics with pattern detection, reversal zones, and oscillators based on smart algorithms. It also includes automatic trend lines and premium signals that aim to spot tops and bottoms early. LuxAlgo is better if you like to tweak settings and build a personalized edge, while ChartPrime is for those who prefer ready-made signals with a cleaner, simplified experience. Both can seriously level up your trading, but the best one depends on your style. LuxAlgo for data-driven customization, ChartPrime for simplified precision.